No! Not another vlog by Jimmy and Duke! No! Yeah, well, not much you can do about that.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 hey, go. I like this record, baby, but I can't see straight anymore. Corner's dim of the club, I can't remember, but it's alright, alright. Just dance, it'll be okay. Just dance, let the record play. Do.
6.1 Kiss FM is ready to give you the royal treatment you have to do.
Hi, I'm at the mall. It is extremely busy. Oh, you don't even know. It's a nightmare. I'll give you a preview. See how busy it is? People everywhere. Everywhere. Hey YouTube, it's snowing. Look, snow, snow. It's like a little mini blizzard. I can't even walk without snow landing in my mouth. Look at that, just it's coming down. Look at all that. That's so awesome. All right, bye. Forgot the ice cream. Hey YouTube, it's me. Look at my car. Look at that. It's all covered in snow. I've got my work cut out for me. Okay. I didn't get to eat. I fell and hit my elbow because some woman dropped ice. I wish I brought my gloves. Dropped ice on the floor and didn't really mop it up. And I locked all the doors so I couldn't even get out of the back area. So to hop over the counter, I landed on the wet area and slipped and hit my elbow. But I'm fine. Okay. Where is... There it is. Okay, now I've got a lot of crap. Okay, I'll see you. I got a lot of scraping to do.